Oh yeah, it's on.
You should hold it this way.
Sure.
When you're making YouTube, it should be this way.
Okay.
So, it's very windy. But right now, we're walking down to Hangang, or the Han River. And we're going to... It's so windy. We're gonna go see if we can find a restaurant to have some lunch. That's so good.
Yeah.
That looks really yummy.
Yeah.
They have really good gobi manu.
How you doing? Yeah.
I thought you were going to eat the gobi this morning, but you didn't.
I'm gonna have it tomorrow with the rice.
Oh, this is beautiful.
I know, right?
We are having Chickalicious cupcakes. This is one of the very few places in Seoul that apparently has American-style buttercream frosting, which is exactly what I've been looking for. So I'm really excited to try it and see if it really is Mikook style. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm so happy, oh my god.
So dramatic.
No, it's like if you've gone like legitimately 4 years without like a solid buttercream frosting, you would understand how important this is.
Okay.
It's so good.
You know, like I can't believe how much thing we had, you know, gone through, you know, like for moving.
Oh yeah. So I don't know, we went through a lot of stuff when we were moving, and we had to we went from a 3-bedroom to a single studio apartment. So we had to sell a lot of our really loved items and things that we wanted to keep but we couldn't. We had to minimalize our life, and I don't know, I just feel really proud of us for doing all that. And
yeah, it took literally one full week to
one full week of packing and throwing away and selling.
It was dang stressful, but you know,
worth it.
Super worth it.